Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video I have a haul to share with you, but that's not really the reason why I'm making this. I'm making this video because I found something really cool that is not for jewelry making. It's meant for something else, but it works really good for jewelry making, and I wanted to let you guys know about it. So let's talk about designing jewelry and when we sort of jewelry. What I like to do when I'm designing is I like to use containers like this. I don't find this so great for filming because my camera conflicts with shiny white surfaces, but when I am not filming I use containers like this to pour my beads in and design. And this one here I've had for a while now. It is ceramic, but I'm actually not too crazy about this. When I got this, it has this really rough surface back here, and I have a glass tabletop, and this here scratches the glass, so I had to put felt pads on it. And then the top up here has a lot of imperfection, which bothers me. See the weird specks? It looks like it's dirty, but I tell you, it is not. See, there's a sharp spot right there. That drives me crazy. Now, this is actually a paint palette, and this is the 7 compartment one, but there's another one, I think it's 9 compartments, but the compartments on the other kind has smaller, more shallow, very shallow compartments. This style here, the daisy one, has deep compartments and they're bigger, so that's why I went with this style. So anyways, for years I've looked for containers like this that I can use to design my jewelry and also sort my beads out when I get new beads and I have to put them away. I like to sort by color and kind and all that. So another container that I got, other than that one there, I went to Goodwill years back and I found this here. This is a game. I don't know what this game is called. I've never played it before, but this here is pretty darn cool. There's 7 compartments on each side, giving me a total of 14. And this here is rounded, so it's really easy to get, you know, you can go like that, you get the stuff out easily. And also, if you have just stuff on one side, you can close it down. And I do like that it's kind of long, because if you have like a long desk, you could just slide this back and put your beads and stuff in here, and it's just, you know, it helps sorting. I like this one more for sorting than making jewelry, but I don't like putting seed beads in this one. I find it annoying for seed beads, but bigger beads, it's just fine. Alright, so this is another container that I've gotten for jewelry making. And then not too long ago I went on to Check Beads Exclusive and I found this here. This is really cool. This is for seed beads. Okay, and I did do a haul on this when I got it. There's also another one that I got that is rectangle shaped, but I really do like how this one looks because it's so darn pretty. Yeah, I'll put a picture up of the other one so you know what I'm talking about. So anyways, this here is super shallow. You can see there. So this is mainly for seed beads. But if you're doing looming work with seed beads or you do peyote stitches, this is totally perfect for you. But it's only a seed bead thing. You can't really put other big beads in it. Well, I guess you can if you don't put the lid on. But if you use your lid, you know, if you have to leave and you have to use your lid, then you're going to want to just do seed beads. So there's the lid for it. It is acrylic lid. So that's really pretty. I do like that design. But recently I was on Mercari and I collect milk glass. I also collect jadeite. I prefer jadeite more over milk glass. And I collect slag glass, and maybe I'll put a picture up of some of the glass that I have. But anyways, I don't have a lot of room to store the glass that I collect, so if I find a piece, I really have to love it in order for me to buy it, because I can barely fit it into my collection right now. So anyways, when you're on Mercari and you're shopping, if you put something in the search, Mercari remembers that you searched for that item and it will save it. So on Mercari, if you go to like searches or something like that, for you, whatever, you'll see things that you've looked for in the past. So I had a notification that somebody posted milk glass, and milk glass is hot on Mercari. I swear every day people will post over 100 new items in the milk glass selection. So anyways, someone posted this here, which is the whole reason why I'm making this video. and I was blown away. I was like, what? Is this for jewelry making or painting? Because this here, the ceramic one, okay, this is actually a paint palette. If you go looking for this, you have to put in ceramic paint palettes or ceramic paint palette trays, something like that, and you'll find these. You'll find the other one that has 9 compartments. So anyways, that's what I thought it was. And when I clicked on it and I opened it up, it said that this is called a vintage milk glass dental tray. I didn't know there was such a thing. I clicked on this and I found this one here, which is my absolute favorite. I only got one of these. You could see how shallow the compartments are, and I really love it. And by the way, this is so heavy. It's like a brick. I can't believe how heavy it is. It's crazy. But I love this, and this is my new favorite thing that I have found for beading. Because it's so heavy, I don't find that it moves around a lot, and also it's very slick back here, and you can see the name on it, by the way. This one is called the American Cabinet Company. It says 20, Two Rivers, what is that, Wisconsin, USA? Made in the USA of America. And it tells you what it's for. It says for discs, burrs, wheels, stones, brushes, miscellaneous items. So this is a dental tray. Now, I went to eBay and I found these on eBay, but they cost a lot more. I got a really good deal on these. I think I bought 7 of these, and I got them for $10 each, and plus I had to pay shipping, so I think I paid like 80 bucks for all of this, including the shipping. So anyways, this one's my favorite. It has shallow trays, right? But I also got the same style, but in the deep. So see this one here? How it's really deep? Isn't that cool? I like both of them. This one here, though, is really awesome for seed beads. I do use it for bigger beads, too, but this one I keep in my tray at all times, and this one I take out, you know, when I'm sorting beads and when I have big projects going or multiple projects at the same time. But I love both of these. So I have one of these, and I have 2 of the deeper one right here. And then I got, and there are several different kinds of these milk glass dental trays you will find if you go searching. I got this one here, which I love for putting bags like this in. Like this bag here too. Like if I'm doing projects, or like, okay, I'll have this colorway, that colorway, you know, like that. These are also great for larger amounts of beads. Oh, and spools of thread. Look at that. I like how this one sits in there. So it's really great, I have found, for storing. And I also found, oh, I have 3 of this one, by the way, that I bought. And I have this one here. This one doesn't have any dividers, and I almost didn't buy this, and then I realized I gotta buy this one. This one's gonna help me for sorting beads. So if I have bigger beads, I just pour them all in here, it fills the tray up, and I pick them out, and then I put them into the other containers. And whenever I sort my beads, and I do it like once a month or like maybe every 2 months depending on what I have going on, I will take all these trays out. I've had these trays for maybe 4 months now. I lay them all on my desk, and I put the beads I have to sort through out in this one, and then I sort them out into the other glass containers. And I really love these. I love these so much because I have found I've made jewelry for over 20 years now. I have found that when I'm doing my storage, stuff like that, I always find that square and rectangle things are the best shapes for jewelry making, for storage. They just work so much better compared to round shapes. So I'm really loving this style here over this here. So yeah, I just wanted to show you the different ones. So these are the styles that I bought, but they also do have other ones available. If you go on to, you might be able to find some on Mercari. You can put in vintage milk glass dental trays in Mercari. You might have some pop up. Some could pop up tonight, tomorrow, a month from now, a year from now, I don't know. But if you do put that in your search, you can save it in your search, so if someone does post these, you will get notified. And I do see a lot of people posting several of them. Like the lady that I found that was selling these, she had 10 of them, and I bought 7 of them. from her, but you'll see the other ones that have lines that go like this, and that's for like they put their dental tools on it, and there'll be a deep tray here and this is up higher. You'll see all different styles, and these also come in, I think, plastic, and those are the new ones, but the milk glass ones are the ones that I'm loving because I collect milk glass. So yeah, I love these so much, and I just wanted to show you guys these because I've never seen these before. I just thought of something else I wanted to share with you. I had someone, I'd showed, not these milk glass trays, but I had showed, I think it was this one, and maybe the wooden one that I just showed you guys. I had showed those before in the past, and someone commented, and they said, do you find it hard to get beads out of the wooden one? Because she has a ceramic one, and she kind of finds it hard to get the beads out, especially if this whole thing's loaded down with seed beads. How do you get it out without mixing the beads together, right? So I'm like, yeah, that's right. I actually find that kind of annoying too, trying to get the beads out. It takes some time so you don't mix them together, especially if you're doing seed beads. So anyways, I just wanted to show you, because of the square compartments, I'm going to put some beads in here. I had two hop over here. So when I go to get these beads out, it's really easy. My favorite bead scooper is this one here. I love the rectangle shape. It's really easy to clean up the spills. I can pour it into a bag. And what I really liked about this style here is I can go like this with my scooper and just wiggle it a little bit, tilt it slightly, just tilt it. All my beads go in there, and I could dump it out. And it's really easy to get tiny seed beads out, 11/0s, 15s. So I'm really loving this. You know, a lot of the times I'll find containers, like I've shown you this, and the wooden one, the game one. And when I first find them, I'm like, oh, that should work. And then I end up finding flaws and things I don't like about them. But so far, I've used these for maybe 4 months now, and I haven't found something I don't like about them. And right now it doesn't look too bad with my camera. I know the metal messes with it, but I'll see when I go to edit how dark this looks. So yeah, I'm really loving these. Again, they are called vintage dental milk glass trays. They're really awesome for jewelry making. I did just recently check on eBay at the time of this uploading, and I did see some on eBay, but they are very expensive. I think I saw one seller that was selling the tray for 20 bucks and then 20 to ship. So you will get much better deals if you go onto Mercari and if you're able to find them on Mercari. And if you do find a seller that has like this style and maybe the one that's for holding the tools, and you only want this style, scroll down and click message seller and ask her if she's, or him, if they're willing to sell these separately. And chances are they probably will, because a lot of people are awesome on Mercari and they will, you know, sell what you want. So I wanted to show you this piece here. This was my first milk glass piece, and I got this from my mom. She was gonna throw it away, and I'm like, don't throw that away, it's so cool, I can use it to hang earrings on. So I got it from her, and the fishhook earrings, shepherd's hook, whatever you want to call it, they fit perfectly in here. This is the same size as an earlobe, and I've had this piece here forever. And other than doing earrings on it, it's not really great for taking pictures on it. That's why I initially wanted it, because I thought I could take pictures of earrings. Doesn't really work out great because I feel like there's no, the background ain't too great, but it looks cool sitting on my desk with earrings hanging on it. But if the cat sees the earring swinging or realizes it moves, then it's gonna swat at it, so I stopped doing the earring thing. But if you want to store tools, this is a really cute decorative way to store your tools, but you can only store certain kinds of pliers on here. So this here style, this is a crimping plier. This does not work. It doesn't fit in a hole that well. It goes a little bit, but see, not very far through, and you don't want to do that. You could risk breaking the glass there. My wubbers, they go through a little bit. Now, there are two different styles of wubber pliers. This is the classic version, which has the bigger handle. The regular, or baby wubbers, that's what they're called, they have handles like this that are short. Okay, so see the size difference there, how short they are? Now, this style here is perfect. Look at that. So if you have this style of plier, in your stash that has this rubber handle. What they do is they dip these. So like this here's my cuticle cutter. They dip these handles. It's just a metal handle. They dip it into this rubber coating, which I'm not crazy about this style of handle for working. I do love my wubbers so much, and this style here. So I have more of this kind of plier. But if you have the plier sets that has these rubbers on it like that, this would be really awesome for storing your pliers. And also I love the bowl in the middle because you can put measuring tape in there, you can put your wire straightener, you know, tools, you can put little magnifying glass, stuff like that. This is my Lindstrom plier, by the way. I'm showing you some different brands I have. So this is a Lindstrom plier, and it does fit up to this, but that's it. I can't get it in any further. But I guess if you really wanted, you could have that on there. But these here are perfect. I love how those fit. So this one, in case you're wondering the brand of this one, this is a Wolf tool. I think this only comes in 2 styles, this tool. This is the round plier, but there's also a chain nose plier. And this here is my split ring opener. And scissors, by the way, these also work on here. This has a cover on it to protect it from getting bent, but see, scissors fit on this. And tweezers, in case you want to put your tweezers on it, you can put them on different ways. So I just wanted to show you this. And also I thought about putting crochet hooks, pencils, and pens and stuff in these holes, because there's a lot of holes in here, as you can see. But when I do that, it wants to come out the bottom. So if I can find some kind of a bowl, maybe like a cereal bowl or something, to sit this in, that would fit perfectly, then all of these things that can completely go through, they would sit in then like this at an angle, and that would be awesome storage. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys this. This piece here, I think this is made by Anchor Hawking, mine. It's not marked. But this is one of the most plentiful milk glass pieces I have seen. If you go onto eBay, Mercari, even a thrift store, you'll probably find this one. I see this one everywhere. Some of them have a lid. Some don't. I don't know if mine was supposed to have a lid or not. I do know that a lot of milk glass pieces, if it has a lid, chances are it can break, or it had broken and you're missing the lid. But you don't need a lid for this unless you do want the lid. But the reason why I'm not using this to store my pliers on is because I only have a few of these that have the rubber dip on them. I think another one I have is a cutter, and that's about it. I mostly have these here. And plus, I have pets, and there's animal hair everywhere, and dust, and to keep my pliers clean, I like to put them in the tiny drawer units, the, what's it called, Sterilite drawer units. But anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys some ideas on storing, because I get asked all the time. I've done a lot of storing videos on how to store beading supplies and stuff like that, and I just wanted to show you these awesome milk glass trays that are made for dental work, but they're really awesome for jewelry making. And this here I thought would be really cool for storage if you have a collection of this style plier, because it's really cute design here, this milk glass with these pliers. And I don't think that these would break the glass because of how it's designed. It fits in there very loosely. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and hope that you found it useful. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.